Greetings everyone, it's me Krish from Gossipfunda, and today we will talk about how to fix the problem if you face it, that your smart TV or Android TV faces a problem of the Wi-Fi not connecting with the smart TV. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Alright, so the solution to the problem is very simple. All you have to do is you have to go to the settings of your smart TV. Here you will have to go to additional settings. And then you will have to go to device preferences. Here, first off, you have to go to the security and restrictions section. Click on it. Then you will have to click on the unknown sources site, and here you will have to uncheck every single application that you have allowed the usage to. So I will uncheck it, and then we will come back. Remember that you can allow the permissions to all the applications you want to allow the permissions to, but after once you have gotten the access to the Wi-Fi, so you have to come back. Then you have to go up all to the top and select date and time, and here you have to click on automatic date and time, and you have to check use network provided time. If it is already checked, then once you have to click it off, then again check it. Then you have to come back, once again come back, and then you have to turn on your Wi-Fi once again. If it's not turned on, then you have to turn on. If it's on, then you have to switch it off and then again turn it on. Once you have turned it on, give it a little time, and then as you can see, it's obtaining the network and now it is connected. Now if I use my network, it will completely be usable. Let me show you. As you can see, it'll load. It'll take the load it wants to take. YouTube will start working, since that's the only application I use. It might take a little time depending upon the speed you have. And as you can see, the network is properly working. As you can see this, the videos will also be working properly. So as you see, this was how you can solve the problem. And that is it for this video. I hope the video helped you. I hope you liked it, and if you did, do hit the like button, share this video as much as you can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's me Krish from Gossipfunda, and I will see you in the next one.